What if I told you that one of the biggest EV companies in the world is about to shake up Canada's motorhome market? What if the company behind some of the fastest-growing electric vehicles on the planet suddenly decided to challenge traditional RV giants? And what if that motorhome came from BYD? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today we're talking about the BYD Motorhome 2026, a vehicle that could completely change how Canadians think about road trips, camping, and electric travel. And trust me, you are going to want to stay until the end because this thing is absolutely wild. Let's get into it. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design. Now, when most people hear the word motorhome, they imagine a giant white box driving slowly down the highway. The BYD motorhome says absolutely not. This thing looks like it came from the future. The front end carries BYD's modern design language with sleek LED lighting, aggressive styling, and aerodynamic bodywork that make many traditional RVs look like they were designed 20 years ago. Seriously. Park this next to some conventional motorhomes and it feels like comparing a smartphone to an old flip phone. The profile is clean, futuristic, and surprisingly elegant. Every line appears designed to improve efficiency and maximize space. And considering BYD's expertise in battery technology, efficiency is probably one of their biggest priorities. Imagine pulling into a Canadian campground and watching everyone's head turn. That's exactly the kind of reaction this thing could generate. But wait until you see the inside, because this is where things start getting absurd. Step inside and it feels less like an RV and more like a luxury apartment on wheels. The cabin design follows the same modern philosophy we've seen in BYD's latest vehicles. Large displays, premium materials, clean layouts, massive living space, and an atmosphere that feels far more high-tech than most traditional recreational vehicles. You could literally spend weeks traveling across Canada and still feel like you're living comfortably. Imagine waking up beside a lake in Alberta, making coffee while looking through giant panoramic windows, then driving hundreds of kilometers without dealing with noisy diesel engines. That sounds pretty amazing. Now, let's talk about performance. This is where BYD has a major advantage. The company is one of the world's largest manufacturers of electric vehicles and batteries. While traditional motorhomes often rely on thirsty gasoline or diesel engines, BYD's electric expertise could potentially deliver a smoother, quieter, and more efficient driving experience. Think about that for a second. A motorhome with instant electric torque. No engine vibration, no loud diesel clatter, just smooth acceleration and silent cruising. That is something many RV owners have been dreaming about for years. And if BYD applies the same battery technology used in its successful electric vehicles, range and charging performance could become major selling points. Now, obviously, this is a big vehicle. Nobody's expecting sports car handling, but compared to many traditional RVs, the driving experience could feel significantly more refined. And let's be honest, most RVs drive like giant refrigerators on wheels. If BYD can make this thing feel even remotely modern, that's already a huge win. Now, let's get to the technology, because this is where Chinese manufacturers have been embarrassing some legacy brands. Many American and European companies still charge premium prices for features that Chinese brands include as standard. That's just the reality. Large infotainment screens, advanced driver assistance systems, 360-degree cameras, smart connectivity, voice controls, over-the-air updates, digital interfaces. BYD has experience with all of these technologies, and if those features make their way into the motorhome, owners could be getting one of the most technologically advanced RVs ever offered. Safety is also expected to be a major focus. Modern driver assistance systems can make a huge difference when you're driving a vehicle this large. Lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking systems, blind spot monitoring, these technologies can make long-distance travel far less stressful. Now, here's the big question. How much will it cost? Go ahead, pause the video and guess the price in the comments. Seriously, I want to know what you think. Would you expect a futuristic electric motorhome from BYD to cost less than traditional luxury RVs? Or do you think the advanced technology will push the price higher? Comment below, because pricing could be the biggest factor in determining whether this becomes a massive success in Canada. And if there's one thing Chinese manufacturers have proven repeatedly, it's their ability to offer incredible value. That's exactly why so many established brands are paying attention. Now let's talk about practicality, because all the technology in the world means nothing if the vehicle isn't useful. A motorhome needs storage, living space, comfort, sleeping capacity, kitchen functionality, bathroom facilities, and enough convenience features to make life on the road enjoyable. This is where BYD has an opportunity to completely rethink the traditional RV experience. They aren't tied to decades of old design habits. They can approach the motorhome market with fresh ideas, and sometimes that's exactly what's needed to disrupt an industry. As for owner experience, this could be one of the most interesting parts. Imagine traveling through Canada in near silence. No fuel station visits every few hundred kilometers, no engine noise drowning out conversations, just smooth electric travel combined with modern comfort. That sounds like a glimpse into the future. And honestly, the RV industry has needed fresh competition for a long time. The BYD Motorhome 2026 could be exactly that. It could be the vehicle that forces traditional manufacturers to finally modernize. So would you buy one? Would you choose the BYD Motorhome 2026, or would you stick with a traditional American RV? Maybe you'd rather have a luxury European motorhome instead. Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Carlust, bringing you the latest and most exciting vehicles from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.